Are you tired of lugging heavy, cumbersome furniture around on your outdoor adventures? Looking for versatile folding ones for indoors, balcony, or backyard? Meet Foldable Lander, the lightweight, compact, and ergonomic furniture collection that's perfect for outdoor activities and limited urban living spaces. With its 2.2 pounds frame weight and payload support of up to 240 pounds, Foldable Lander is easy to deploy like an umbrella and takes only 5 seconds to set up. And with its compact design, Foldable Lander saves up to 98% of its volume when fully folded and retrieved, making it easy to store in small spaces like closets or under the bed. Perfect for outdoor activities like camping and hiking, where portable furniture is essential. Great for urban apartments or rooms where space-saving furniture is necessary. Ideal for home office or study spaces where versatile furniture is desired. Fantastic for trade shows and exhibitions where portable and easy-to-set-up furniture is needed. With its ergonomic design, Foldable Lander is not only space-saving but also comfortable. Don't let heavy, cumbersome furniture weigh you down. Get Foldable Lander today and start enjoying the great indoors and outdoors without the hassle. Foldable Lander. Chair, table, ottoman. Lightweight, compact, ergonomic. Available now on Kickstarter. Get it early at a limited special price.